Hello, I'm Chanak Lakmal Veerasinghe, and in my assignment, my topic is healthcare, telementary healthcare. So my ID number is MS20910068, and I have created simple patient and doctor application. So using in there's two panel. Using patient can check the diseases, and they can read in those diseases. We can check what can be done in first aids, and doctor can add diseases and issues, and edit and delete also. In proceed, let's see how the things happen. This is simple animation. So after animation occurs, this is navigate to that. That means we are in offline. So we have to enable online, and after that, in final stage, we will check how the offline works. So it will show connected to internet. In patient panel, let's go in patient panel. I have implemented using Google sign in. In Google sign in, using Google sign in, it will authenticate the user, and send back to the patient dashboard. In I have implemented it using Firebase authentication. So in sign in method, I have enabled the Google sign in, and I have add JSON file also. There's implementation, I have done some implementation. So patient can read those things, and what can be done, that issues like think like in burn, he can take diclofenac or some creams like that, and they can read the information, but they can add or edit anything. And let's see how the doctor's panel work in doctor's panel. We can enter doctor name. This also using Google authentication. So we can select the Gmail, and after successful authentication, doctor can see the issues, and doctor can add any medicine or health issues to using this. In this, doctor can add more one. If think about some of disease like uh, something rash, or yeah, rash or something medicine, we will add some Panadol or something, and dosage 1 to 2 times. And I have implement this to Google Firebase Firestore, and description we will test, and after added successful, and we will success, it will be come to this place. And so let's see how it's inserted our Firestore dashboard. In disease section, we can see that rash added, and there's doctor information, and this article information not want, and about doctor information is the insert our doctor information. So let's go back to application. Also, then if we have log out, uh, some issues in this part. Okay. We can log out also, and after logout, user can go back, and now let's see how the network changes and offline also working. If we have disabled offline application, check it is application. Now it's showing that application have not internet connection, and we will go back and see the how the offline working. If we user login to application, and it will be notified we have not implement. So in that case, application to check it is connected to internet or not. It is using like this. I have implement some code to check that. In my application, I have set up some check internet connection class. Using check internet connection class, we can check the internet enable or disable. I have used some flag is offline or enable to check this. In this check internet connection, I will check if enable or disable. If it is enable disable offline, it will be true. If is offline is true, I have navigate to another simple class, create a simple dataset using MySQL, and I will navigate them to patient offline page. This is the patient offline page, and in patient offline page, there are sample data set I have inserted. Then I will show how the MySQL I insert those MySQL data to the database. In main class, I am inserting some sample data. This is the MySQL sample data, and I have implement simple database helper to the add data set to, and I have create one table. And this is the patient offline. This is the model class, and medical data also not required. It's yet I have to delete. So this is the my custom component. In custom component, I have create gradients and shapes and custom shapes. In list view, I have create some gradients and list view to show the things, and it can be identified in the. I will show it also. This is the normal list view, but in my custom list view, I will show, and we have to own data internet connection. In after any connect to net internet, it will be show connected to internet. So we will go to I am patient and login Google Gmail. You can see this is the custom list view, and I have added some colors and gradients and some of shapes. This is the box decorator, and I have added this is the gesture detector. In Flutter is flat hierarchy. So in this gesture detector, I have edge inserts, and this is the gradients implementation also. And this is the my connection class. I have showed it. Connection class. This is the connection listener, and this is the sum of library third party library. I have used some third party libraries to achieve those. Data connection checker is that third party library that that implement check that network changes, and I have implement SQLite, Google Sign In, and Google Firestore, and some page transitions and default ones also, and my assets and database also rely on there. So that's the my implementation. Thank you.